So you really should have some fun here, um, just building some confidence with these basic for loops. And your job is to simply run them, and then you're going to explain in your own words how they're working. That should give me the information that I need that makes some sense to you. Maybe you haven't coded enough of them, but we're going to have some exercises in the next code books that will kind of bring all this together. And so that's for the simple iteration. And then for the advanced iteration, what it is you are using a generator and you're using a number pad like a phone. And you're going to be changing where you start the number pad to see how long it takes to go and find when it's going to quit. But more importantly, there's a few concepts in here like IDX, len, and on this line here. And I want you to go and look those up and then explain to them, explain what they are, what they're doing. And so these are all fundamental exercises so we can keep building and be able to manipulate information in the remaining code books. So, okay. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.